Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file when you try to install Cheat Engine on your PC. So first go to your Windows search and just type protection or virus or threat protection. You will see it on the top. So just open it up. Now just click on the option of manage settings you see here and just turn it off. You will see real-time protection and just turn it off. Then click on the yes option. After that, click on OK. Now try to open it again. If you're again getting this error, download the cheat engine again from this website. After that, just open it. Click on the yes option. Click on OK. And that's how you can fix this problem. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and thanks for watching.